Hello my besties, how are you? Welcome to my DIY channel. Today's wreath is on the wild side with some cheetah print and Dollar Tree velvet pumpkins. Let's get started. So we're gonna use 3 pumpkins in today's wreath. Gonna do it on the grapevine base. I got it at Hobby Lobby. Regular price $5 with the 40% coupon is $3. Excuse me, it looks like Tweety wants to help.
Come on.
All right, you want to steal my earring or scratch my back?
Scratch my back. Scratch my back, Tweety.
And we're going to use a color coordinating florals, mostly from Dollar Tree. Blue roses, these white moms, Queen Anne's lace. This one is from Christmas collection. Some mini pomegranates. And I also have here some magnolia leaves. These are from AC Moore, which is like Michael's. And instead of the ribbons, I will be using this beautiful rag bow that I created on my channel a while ago. I just love these colors. If you like to make one, you just refer to this video for detailed instructions. What's great about making your own rag bow is that it could be totally free, because you can just use some old sheets, shirts that you don't wear anymore. You rip them to pieces, and you can also coordinate the colors that go with your decor. I love it. You know, you don't have to spend a penny on any ribbon. On the other hand, if you prefer to use a ribbon, you can refer to this video and I show you how to make a very easy bow and create a beautiful wreath as well, similar to this one that we're going to be making today. That one was very traditional and this one is going to be a little bit on the wild side. First, we're going to attach the bow and we're going to place it right there around 9 o'clock. Next, we are going to cut apart all the florals. And some of them you can just pull apart and make 3 picks out of one. Don't throw away those stems. We're going to use them to attach the pumpkins. All right, so here's our wreath on the stand. And now we're going to attach the pumpkins. And another helper is here now? Nosy little Coco. Hi, Coco. Say hi to the besties. All right, let's see how we want to do this. We're going to put the blue one at the top. And now maybe the cream in the middle. And the brown one on the side. It's up to you how you want to place your pumpkins, really. I'm going to use that piercing tool from the Dollar Tree to make a hole. And just poke the stem inside. And insert that in the grapevine right there. Once I like the position, I'm going to use hot glue to attach the pumpkin there for good. Next, I am going to insert some magnolia leaves, one at the top, another one at the bottom, and one more on the side over here. Wait a minute, what's going on again? Coco, will you let me work today? What is this? These are not real? You can't have that? No! No! Are you upset now? Look at her. She's not talking to me now. Once you like where everything is, just use a lot of hot glue to attach it there so it's all secure. Next step is to add the big florals, like my roses. We're gonna place one at the top, one at the bottom, another one in the middle. Actually, I need some more in between the pumpkins. One more here and one more right there on the inside. That way, there's no holes in between your pumpkins. I have one more left. I'm gonna place it at the tip there. And now the small flowers, like these mums. I'm gonna place one here for some separation, another one by the other pumpkin. I want one at the tip as well. And now some filler flowers like Queen's Anne's lace or hydrangea or baby's breath. They're great for filling in the holes that you might have in your wreath. And now again, I'm just gonna glue everything in. And I'm sorry, I didn't realize my camera was out of focus. What I'm also doing is gluing my bow. As you know, the rag bow doesn't have any wire in it. So if anything's, too flappy, you just use your hot glue here and there. I think it's full now. We just need a couple cherries on the top or the mini pomegranates. And here's the look at the final result. I hope you're gonna like it. Even if these colors are not exactly your cup of tea, I hope I inspire you to make it your own. Please note that your wreath should look beautiful from every angle. Over here on the inside, there's no holes there. And same thing from the side. So pretty all around, not just the front. Alright my besties, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you hit like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're gonna know when I'm back here with a new video. Take care, my dear. See you next time. Bye bye.